Hello everyone. For this session we will discuss few important concepts of a plane. First one, normal form of a plane. So here in this we can consider the coordinate axis, the x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. So this is the three-dimensional coordinate axis. Now we know that the point of intersection of the axis is origin. So here we can consider any plane. So here for example, so this is a plane. Here we need to find what? Normal form of a plane. So first we have to consider any normal to the plane. For example, we can consider some OS. So with distance some P. Okay, so let OS is equals to P, and direction cosines means DCs of OS we can consider as some L comma M comma N. Here we can draw a perpendicular line from S to x-axis. Here for example, the coordinate of S is x1, y1 and z1, and this point considered as some M. From the triangle OSM, let us consider this is the angle alpha. From triangle OSM, clearly cos alpha is equals to adjacent side. This is what OM, which is the x coordinate of S. What is that? x1 divided by what? Hypotenuse, that is P. Here x1 is equals to what? P into cos alpha. Similarly, y1 is equals to some P into cos beta, and z1 is equals to P into cos gamma. We know that DCs are denoted by what? LMN. Here cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are LMN. Now we can consider x1 is equals to what? PL or LP, and y1 is equals to MP, and z1 which is equals to NP. Coordinates of S x1, y1, z1, that means LP comma MP comma NP. Now we can consider any point on the plane. For example, this is any point, some R. We can consider this point is some x comma y comma z. So here let R be any point, that is x comma y comma z on the plane. Therefore dRs of SR, clearly that is what? Difference of x coordinates comma difference of y coordinates comma difference of x coordinates, that is what? X minus LP, and y coordinate difference y minus MP comma z coordinate difference z minus MP. So this is what? dRs of SR. And here OS is perpendicular to what? OS which is perpendicular to SR. Therefore what is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is 0. Clearly this is what? A1 B1 C1, and this is what? A2 B2 C2. That means L into x minus LP plus M into y minus MP plus N into z minus MP, which is equals to 0. Multiplying Lx minus L square P. Next My minus M square P plus Nz minus N square P, which is equals to 0. Now clearly which is Lx plus My plus Nz. Here minus L square P minus M square P minus N square P. In that minus p is common. What will get? L square plus m square plus n square, which is equals to 0. We know that sum of the squares of the DCs is 1. Therefore, which can be written as Lx plus my plus nz minus p into 1, which is equals to 0. Clearly, which is Lx plus my plus nz, which is equals to p. So clearly, which represents the equation of normal, where L comma m comma n are what? DCs of a normal. So next one, equation of a plane in the intercept form. So here we can consider the coordinate axis. This is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now we can consider any plane. For example, this is a plane. So this plane meets the x-axis at point A, y-axis at point B and z-axis at point C. So clearly you can consider the point A is some a comma 0 comma 0 and the point B is some 0 comma b comma 0 and the point C is some 0 comma 0 comma C. Now let us consider the plane equation is Lx plus my plus nz, which is equals to p. So first this plane passes through the point A, means a comma 0 comma 0 lies on equation 1. X is a, y is 0, z is 0. Substitute the equation 1, what will you get? L into a, remaining this one 0, this one 0 is equals to p. Similarly, B 0 comma b comma 0 and C 0 comma 0 comma C lies on equation 1. Then clearly what will you get? Next one, MB, which is equals to P. Similarly, NC, which is equals to P. Okay. So clearly here L is equals to P by A, and from this M is equals to P by B and N is equals to P by C. Substitute L, M, N in equation 1. So clearly equation 1 becomes, what we will get? L is what? P by A, that is Px by A plus My. M is what? P by B, that is Py by B plus Nz. N is what? P by C, that is Pz by C, which is equals to what? P. Both left hand side, right hand side P it cancel, which becomes what? X by A plus Y by B plus Z by C, which is equals to 1. So clearly which represents the equation of plane in intercept form. Here A, B, C are what? Intercepts. So next, normal form condition. So that is, if any equation of plane is given, for example AX plus BY plus CZ, which is equals to D. So this is any equation of the plane. For converting the given plane into normal form, we should divide both sides with under root a square plus b square plus c square. So which means the given plane becomes what? A by under root a square plus b square plus c square into x plus b by under root. Clearly a by under root a square plus b square plus c square is L into x, and this is m into y, and this is n into z, which is equals to what? P. So clearly P is equals to what? Mod d by under root a square plus b square plus c square. So which represents what? Perpendicular distance from origin, means 0 comma 0 comma 0 to given plane. So this is the one of the formula.